Hey guys, good afternoon. And today's video is on the most needed accessory in any vehicle in India. On that is nothing else but this unit, which is a dash cam. तो मैंने अभी काफ़ी बेसिक सा मॉडल लगाया है. ये Xiaomi का 70 mi सेम थिंग कैमरा है. आई थिंक 1S, that's the model number. It's a basic DVR unit, but it does its job well. Something is better than nothing, so I'm just starting out with this one. So as you guys may know, a few weeks back there was this issue with a car coming and hitting my windows. I mean the ORVM actually. And मेरे पास कोई कैमरा नहीं था to capture who hit me as a proof, or for insurance reasons. So this is where I decided, nahi, I need to get something that will cover me up. So it's actually very easy to fix. As you can see, it's a very small unit, if you can see here, and it just attaches there on the windshield. And मैंने थोड़ा सा भी वायरिंग को just basic hide करने के लिए, as you can see through the channels, I'm trying to hide it over here, but definitely I can do a better job. And यहाँ पे finally आके this is going to get plugged in to the 12 volt unit, and once it is clicked in, as soon as you start the car, this unit will start recording. तो मैंने इसको काफ़ी छिपा के रखा है ताकि बाहर से ये बहुत अपेरेंट ना हो. एंड ऐसा भी है कि अगर आप देखो मेरे फील्ड ऑफ व्यू में इट एक्चुअली डजंट कम इन, तो आई एम नॉट बॉदर्ड लुकिंग इनटू इट और डिस्ट्रैक्टेड. वो साइड में छिपा सा है. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू अटैच सम नाइस वीडियोस विथ लो लाइट कंडीशंस एंड नॉर्मल डे लाइट, तो आपको मालूम चलेगा हाउ इज दिस यूनिट परफॉर्मिंग. एंड one thing that I want you guys to be aware of, when you choose the memory unit, please only select high endurance SD cards. Do not use regular SD card, क्योंकि ये continuously recording and writing करते रहता है. तो जो usual SD cards हैं, they will get corrupted. कुछ महीनों में ही they will get corrupted. So please go ahead and buy a high endurance SD card. What I'm using is Western Digital's Purple Line. They are specifically made for the surveillance camera market. So that is what I will recommend. There are other brands, but please look at the warranty and the other parts. Yes, on warranty, normal SD card अगर आप digital ये इस type के DVRs में रखें, they will not honor warranty. So that's the only thing you need to be careful on. Installation is like very simple. ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं. There are a lot of videos far in detail where they talk about how to put it and others, and it's quite simple. All you need to ensure is it's somewhere sitting in the middle of the screen, so that corner and this corner are pretty well covered. और जब आप focus करेंगे कितना लेना है, try to focus 60% above, ताकि अच्छा contrast ratio maintain हो. So ideal would be something like this, where just the edges of your bonnets are appearing and rest of everything is appearing towards the sky. इससे आपका contrast perfect रहता है. तो hopefully this is something that will help you. It has definitely helped me, and I'll also show it from the outside how it actually looks up. You won't be able to make out if this car is equipped with a dash cam. So all the more important, हमारे इंडिया में भी धीरे धीरे ये फॉल्स इंश्योरेंस स्कैम और ये सब चालू हो रहा है. रादर इंडिया में तो इट्स क्वाइट कॉमन कि आपका गाड़ी किसी और से भिड़ता ही है, एंड देन द लॉ ऑफ द बिगर व्हीकल टेक्स ओवर. अगर कार बाइक को मारा तो कार की दोष, अगर ट्रक ने कार को मारा तो ट्रक की दोष. सो जो उतरता है, वो जो चिल्लाता है, वही जीत जाता है. सो टू सेव योर सेल्फ फ्रॉम सच हैसल्स, दिस इज एन एक्सट्रीमली यूजफुल टूल. ज़्यादा महंगा है नहीं. I'll say you don't need to get the latest and greatest, but you can at least start with this model. बहुत सारे models में they actually cover the rear aspect as well, but there is no problem in taking something cheap like this and attaching it to the rear as well. For example, on the Honda City, you get a 12 volt socket at the rear. So yeah, that's it for this short video. I'll attach 2 videos in consecutive mode, तो आपको मालूम चल जाएगा लो लाइट और नॉर्मल डे में कैसा दिख रहा है. So hopefully this video has helped. Do keep on liking and subscribing, and thanks again for viewing this video. This is the view from the outside. As you can see, it's pretty tough to make out if there is anything installed. Let's go closer. So only when you're like really close you'll be able to make it out, otherwise you know it's pretty hidden well. So yeah, at this distance you'll hardly make out there is anything other than the IRVM inside. So hopefully that helps you guys with your decision.